$2,000 worth of cash. So, you know, whoever's nice to me, they're going to get $100, but, you know, whatever. Hey everybody, it's January 31st, 2023. I'm in Balboa Beach, and I haven't been to the beach in over a month. So here I am. I'm with my Insta3 X3 camera, and I'm gonna do just a little walking tour. I got great parking here, and so we parked just on 19th Street and Balboa, and we're just gonna do a little walking tour to the boardwalk. This is my favorite spot. I'm right on the corner of 20th and Balboa. Happy New Year, everybody. I haven't posted a video since December 31st, 2022. Now, if you check out my other videos, you'll see the hell I go through to put these videos on for you. I went out in the pouring rain on New Year's Eve. I got rained on. My camera got soaked. I got soaked. I got kicked out of a hotel because I didn't have a ticket to get in. But either way, you know, it was a nice little video. It shows, you know, that you really... Now, a lot of people are telling me, you know, Laguna is really not everything it's, you know, chalked up to be. So, what I'm finding about Laguna is, like, if you don't have money, you really shouldn't go there. Anyways, back to the walking tour. We're just seconds away from the boardwalk on Tuesday, January 31st, 2023. Here's a shout out to my Canadian friend who dreams of being here. So I try to show the ins and outs of, you know, the daytime and the nighttime scene. But here we are. The sun is in full force. And here we are. Here's the boardwalk. And there's the Ben Carlson Lifeguard building there on the left. And we're right in the heart of it all in Balboa Beach. Right up ahead we have Balboa Circle, which houses a really incredible globe. It sits in the center in front of the Ben Carlson Lifeguard statue, who heroically passed away saving someone's life in Huntington Beach. So that sun's bright. I don't have any sunglasses on, but people are biking and jogging half naked. And this is what I love about coming down to Balboa Beach, is it's just so people friendly, and they've got plenty of, you know, outdoor venues where you can get ice cream and you can rent bikes. Now, unfortunately, I just woke up yesterday after going to Laguna and getting rained on again in Laguna. I just don't learn my lesson. But I went out over the weekend in Laguna and I got rained on again, and I woke up with a horrible respiratory thing yesterday, and I had a fever, but it broke last night, and so I just took a bunch of Gatorade and some one pill acetaminophen, and I feel great. So here I am. Now, just last night I had chills and fever, and I was hallucinating, and I was thinking that I was thinking about Engelbert Humperdinck over and over and over, and I was thinking about these flowers that Engelbert Humperdinck liked, and my mind just kept going around in circles and circles and circles. It was awful. So anyways, I got through that, the fever broke, it went away, and now here I am today in full glory, and walking around the Balboa Pier, and it's gorgeous out. There's a few people around, but just right there is a silver Ben Carlson statue with a seagull on top of his head. And they like to sit up on top of this ATM here. But we've got plenty of businesses here. We got Boardwalk Sports, Charlie Chili, Newport Coffee Company, Jane's Corn Dogs, and the Pier Shop Pepper Beach. And then in the corner we have this really historic 21 Oceanfront restaurant, which proudly serves prime steaks. It's a lounge and seafood bar. And this is my favorite little area to film, because if you walk across here, you see all kinds of people walking and dining, and I found many restaurants over here that I really, really like. But we've got 24-hour donuts at the Seaside Donut Shop right here on the right. And then my favorite Balboa Beach breakfast place is now Dory Deli, where you can have breakfast here and coffee for less than 15 bucks. Now they have a bar, and then they have like outdoor seating. It's really, really nice. I'll just walk in and show you a quick view, but it's quiet here today. Now, unfortunately, here we go. Look at the selection here. It's just incredible. We've got croissants, we've got sandwiches and a bar, and I've sat here and had a drink before. Very nice. All right, so we're gonna go back to the boardwalk here. And this is my favorite taco shop here called Super Panga Taquera. And I might have to have a burrito here because I love this place. They have the shrimp, pico de gallo, cucumber. That sounds good. I don't know. They say feed a fever, starve a cold, but I'm ready to eat. It was a horrible night. And it's been a really bad month. I'm really not one to be in the rain. Now, I can't complain because my Canadian visitors say they would dream of being here. But, nobody's really out here at the beach when it's raining and 45 degrees anyways. So, it has its moments out here. Now, spring is coming up. March, April, May, June, July is going to be fantastic here anywhere you go in Newport Beach. And we're just taking a peek. Carry love. No, you'll just have to wait. Now, to the right we have the Beach Ball Dive Bar, established in 1938. And they serve anytime from 6 a.m. And then next to it, we've got the also historic Blackie's by the Sea. And you can go in here and have a beer. And it looks really dark and sketchy. Ooh. But, so here on the corner, we've got PJ Surf Rider. And then just up ahead, past the famous Handel's homemade ice cream since 1945, we have my new restaurant, which I love. They serve hot wings by the platter for less than $14. It's called Mutt Lynch's, and I'm not ready to eat that much today because I'm still nursing this respiratory thing that I got overnight. But I feel good. I feel like it was a 24-hour little respiratory bug or whatever. But I'm back. I mean, after 30 days, obviously, I'm on the mend. I'm ready to go. I'm filming at the beach. So, now, if you haven't seen my artist paintings, go ahead and check out my latest video. I just painted 2 large-scale pieces. And this week I'm going to paint a surfboard piece with 5 surfboards in black and white. Maybe some color. We'll see. But look at the babes here. There's like some good-looking girls in here by themselves. Ooh, ciao. So here is the Fly and Fish Oyster Bar and Grill. They have a really great clam chowder, and I've been in here before, and it was good. It was very good. It's next to the Newport Beach Hotel, and then just after these businesses, you have all of the beachfront homes, and they're just adjacent to the sidewalk, right across from the lifeguard towers and the beach. Oh, we'll walk out to the beach. Look at that sunshine and that sun. It is amazing. So now I noticed in my last video I say stunning a little bit too much, so I'm trying to avoid that word for this video, but this is stunning. I mean, look at the sunset. I mean, the sunset will be setting in about 30 minutes, but it is stunning. And we've got people from out of town. Everybody's smiling. Everybody's wearing tennis shoes and feeling good. Now there's to the left, we've got the boardwalk. All right, we are in 360 mode, everyone. We're gonna do a little conceptual shot of this corner here. 360. All right, we are in 360 mode, everyone. We're going to do a little conceptual shot of this corner here. Alright, so we're going to walk over to the pier, and there's all kinds of people out, and it's gorgeous out, so. Well, this concludes my video, everyone. I'll get back into the flow as soon as I get past this head cold and flu or whatever it is. I'm feeling pretty good now. Like I said, my fever broke last night. My head was spinning around. I was delirious. I had a fever. I had the chills, but it all went away. And basically, all I took was one acetaminophen this morning, and I had some Gatorade and some body armor, and I'm feeling pretty good now. So I need to get to the bank and put this money in the bank before I get ripped off or mugged here. So I don't normally walk around with $2,000 on me, and I'm not going to give that money away, believe me. That's probably the rent here for 1 month. So here we go. Going up to the pier. We'll do a little conceptual shot of the pier, and then we're out of here. So. video. Alrighty, everybody, that concludes the video.